Welcome to SL Pharma. If you're working in pharmaceutical manufacturing or planning to join the industry, understanding the essential principles is crucial. In today's video, we'll explore the fundamental knowledge every pharmaceutical manufacturing employee must have. Let's get started. First, let's talk about good manufacturing practices, or GMP. This ensures that pharmaceutical products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. Employees must follow hygiene and cleanliness standards, maintain accurate documentation and record-keeping, and comply with regulatory guidelines set by FDA, EMA, and WHO. Next, we have good documentation practices, GDP. Proper documentation ensures traceability and regulatory compliance. Key principles include keeping records accurate, legible, and timely, using approved templates and formats, and avoiding errors and following proper correction procedures. Another critical aspect is process validation. This confirms that the manufacturing process consistently produces high-quality products. Employees should understand validation stages, process design, process qualification, and continued process verification. Additionally, they need to know how to analyze critical quality attributes (CQAs) and critical process parameters (CPPs). Every task in pharmaceutical manufacturing follows standard operating procedures, or SOPs. These written instructions ensure consistency in the production process and compliance with quality and safety requirements. Ensuring quality is key. Quality control, or QC, and quality assurance, or QA, help identify defects and maintain product integrity. Employees must perform in-process quality checks, identify deviations and non-conformance issues, and implement corrective and preventive actions, commonly known as CAPA. Safety always comes first. Employees must wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, follow hazard communication and emergency procedures, and properly handle chemicals and active pharmaceutical ingredients, or APIs. Understanding the operation and maintenance of equipment is essential. Employees should learn how to operate and troubleshoot manufacturing machinery, and maintain clean room and sterile environment standards. Finally, staying up to date with regulatory compliance is crucial. Employees must follow guidelines from regulatory bodies like the FDA, EMA, and WHO. They should also participate in audits and inspections to ensure compliance. These fundamental principles form the backbone of pharmaceutical manufacturing. By mastering GMP, GDP, validation, SOPs, quality control, safety, equipment handling, and compliance, you can contribute to the production of safe and effective medicines. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SL Pharma for more industry insights. See you in the next video.